Hi everyone, welcome back, or welcome if you are new. My name is Jen and I make videos on cleaning motivation and all things mom related. Today I'm going to be doing a all day clean with me as we get ready to have company over. I hope that this brings you a ton of cleaning motivation and that you get up and clean along with me. This is one of the smallest crock pots you can get that still has a dial that will let you go from low to high. And it's perfect for our family. We are a family of 3, and it's actually the right size if I want to just do our one meal. If I want to do any kind of meal prep, I do have a much larger crock pot, but actually this works great. And I love that since I have to hand wash dishes, it's super easy to clean. This is another post-vacation problem that I have. I mentioned one in my video earlier on my fridge clean out, but the mail that piles up while you're gone, and I don't mean the important stuff, I mean the stuff that you think might be important, but really just ends up being junk. I absolutely cannot stand coming home to that giant pile that I have to sift through just to make sure there's nothing that I might need. This is the 7th generation wood cleaner that I mentioned in my cleaning product clean out video that I wanted to try. I didn't have time on this day to clean out all of my cabinets, but I did end up cleaning out this one that holds like our cups and glasses and plates and bowls, and it actually did work really well, and I didn't have to scrub hardly at all. I was really impressed. everyone, that's going to be it for this video. I am just finishing up some last minute details before our company arrives. I hope you are enjoying my cleaning videos so far. I'm having a lot of fun making them. And if you are enjoying them, please make sure to hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.